Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Moves Made Easy TV. Today we're diving into one of the most important skills for building your financial future, negotiating your salary and benefits. Whether you're starting a new job, up for a promotion, or just looking to improve your current package, negotiation can have a huge impact on your career and finances. Negotiating your salary and benefits is a pivotal aspect of career advancement and financial well-being. Effectively navigating this process can lead to increased earnings, enhanced job satisfaction, and a more secure financial future. However, many professionals approach salary negotiations with apprehension, often underselling their value or accepting initial offers without due consideration. This video delves into essential strategies for negotiating your salary and benefits, providing actionable insights to empower you in these discussions. Why salary negotiation matters. First, let's talk about why negotiating your salary matters. A higher salary doesn't just impact your paycheck today, it compounds over time, meaning you'll earn more year after year. Salary negotiation is not merely about securing a higher paycheck. It reflects your professional value and can significantly influence your career trajectory. Engaging in negotiations demonstrates confidence, self-awareness, and a proactive approach to your career. Moreover, the outcomes of these negotiations can impact your long-term financial health, including retirement savings and overall job satisfaction. Studies indicate that individuals who negotiate their salaries can achieve substantial increases in their earnings over time. So, if you're nervous about negotiating, remember that the stakes are high and advocating for yourself is worth it. Tip 1. Research the market value. Before entering any negotiation, it's imperative to understand the standard compensation for your role within your industry and geographic location. Utilize reputable salary research tools such as Salary.com, PayScale, and Glassdoor to gather data on salary ranges for positions similar to yours. This information serves as a benchmark, ensuring that your expectations align with industry standards and providing a solid foundation for your negotiation. This data also shows employers that your request is based on research, not guesswork. Tip 2. Know your worth. Consider your unique skills, achievements, and experience level, and think about how you've contributed in previous roles or the extra value you bring. Have you taken on leadership roles or exceeded performance targets? Write down these points to remind yourself of the value you're offering. Assessing your unique skills, experiences, and accomplishments is crucial. Reflect on how your background and expertise contribute to the value of the organization. Document specific achievements, certifications, and projects that highlight your qualifications. This self-assessment enables you to articulate your value proposition effectively during negotiations, reinforcing why you deserve the compensation you seek. Tip 3. Don't be the first to mention a number. Avoid being the first to mention a salary figure. Introducing salary figures prematurely can limit your negotiation leverage. If you're asked for your salary expectations, try to politely redirect by asking what the company has budgeted for the role. Allow the employer to present their offer first, as this provides insight into their budget and expectations. This way, you can avoid lowballing yourself and learn what the employer is willing to offer. If they insist, provide a range based on your market research instead of a specific number. This keeps the conversation open and flexible, which helps to keep the conversation focused on the employer's offer and maintains your negotiating position. Tip 4. Think beyond salary. Consider the full package. Compensation encompasses more than just the base salary. Evaluate the entire benefits package, including health insurance, retirement plans, bonuses, stock options, paid time off, and flexible work arrangements. Negotiating these elements can significantly enhance your overall compensation and job satisfaction. For instance, securing additional vacation days or flexible working hours can be as valuable as a salary increase. Sometimes employers may be unable to meet your salary expectations, but can offer flexibility in other areas. A better benefits package can often be just as valuable as a higher salary. So think about what matters most to you. Tip 5, practice your pitch. One of the best ways to feel confident in a negotiation is to practice your pitch. Write down your main points, including the market research, your unique value, and the range you're targeting. Then, practice delivering them until you feel comfortable. You can do this in front of a mirror, with a friend, or even by recording yourself. The more familiar you are with your talking points, the more confident you will sound when it's time to negotiate. Preparation is key to a successful negotiation. Rehearse your talking points, focusing on articulating your value and justifying your salary expectations. Role-playing different scenarios can help you anticipate potential objections and refine your responses, boosting your confidence and effectiveness during the actual negotiation. Tip 6. Be prepared to handle objections. During a negotiation, it's likely you'll encounter some pushback. Be prepared to handle objections like, "It's not in the budget," or "We don't negotiate salaries." If they say the budget is limited, ask if there's room to discuss other benefits, like additional vacation days or a signing bonus. Anticipate and prepare for possible objections from the employer. Develop well-thought-out responses that address these points, while reinforcing your value to the organization. Demonstrating flexibility and a willingness to collaborate can help overcome objections and move the negotiation forward. Also, reiterate why you believe the compensation should reflect your skills and the market rate. Sometimes staying calm and persistent can turn a no into a maybe or even a yes. Tip 7. Timing matters. The timing of your negotiation can influence its success. Aim to initiate salary discussions after receiving a formal job offer, as this indicates the employer's interest in hiring you. If you're currently employed, the best time to discuss a raise or better benefits is during your annual performance review or after you've completed a major project successfully. Additionally, consider the company's fiscal calendar and budget cycles. Negotiating during periods when the company is planning its budget can be advantageous. Tip 8. Be willing to walk away. Approach negotiations with a clear understanding of your minimum acceptable offer and be prepared to walk away if your needs are not met. This mindset conveys confidence and a willingness to seek opportunities that align with your professional and financial goals. Remember, it's better to decline an offer that doesn't meet your expectations than to accept terms that may lead to dissatisfaction in the future. Let's do a quick recap of the top tips for negotiating your salary and benefits. Research the market value for your role. Know your worth and highlight your unique skills. Don't be the first to mention a number. Think beyond salary. Consider the full package. Practice your pitch to boost your confidence. Be prepared to handle objections. Choose the right time to negotiate. Be willing to walk away if necessary. And that's it. Negotiating your salary and benefits can feel intimidating, but with preparation and confidence, you can secure an offer that truly reflects your value. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Share it with someone who might need a little boost for their next negotiation. And don't forget to subscribe to Money Moves Made Easy TV and continue building your financial knowledge. Check out all the related resources and download the helpful links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and remember, your worth isn't just a number. Stand up for yourself, and happy negotiating.